In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use classes and locations in QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're inside your company file, you'll be able to turn on the features that let you organize your transactions more clearly. Classes and locations are useful tools for tracking different parts of your business, such as departments, product lines, stores, or service areas, so setting them up correctly can make your reports much more informative. Next, click the Settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. From there, select Account and Settings. This is where QuickBooks stores many of the core preferences for your company, including the options we need for tracking categories. After that, open the Advanced tab. In this section, look for the Categories area and click Edit. This is the part of the Settings menu where you can control whether QuickBooks tracks classes and locations on your transactions. Now, turn on Track Classes and Track Locations. Enabling both of these options allows you to assign additional labels to your transactions, which can be especially helpful if you want to separate income and expenses by business segment or physical location. Once both settings are on, click Save and then click Done to close the settings window. With those features enabled, go back to the Settings menu, choose All Lists, and then open either Classes or Locations. This is where you'll build the categories you want to use in your books. Click New to create your classes and locations. As you create them, make sure the names are clear and consistent so they'll be easy to recognize later when entering transactions and reviewing reports. Once your classes and locations are set up, you can start using them in your everyday bookkeeping. When creating invoices, expenses, bills, or other transactions, look for the class and location fields and select the appropriate option from the available choices. This step is important because it tells QuickBooks exactly how to categorize that transaction for reporting purposes. If you skip it, your reporting may be less accurate or less detailed than you want. After selecting the correct class and location, save the transaction. From that point on, the transaction will be recorded with those tracking details attached, making it easier to filter reports and analyze how different areas of your business are performing. Thanks for watching.